Test, test, test. What's going on, yo? What's going on? Test, test, test. All right, cool. Sounding good. Sounding good. So a few charts went as projected yesterday. Those that was in the London session stream. We're gonna be breaking some of that stuff down. We're gonna wait a couple minutes to see if some more people hop up in here. All right, make sure to go ahead and like the live, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. New 5 minute just popped up. So again, we got a couple news events today. Going to be going live with the members during the 8:15 ADP news event. We got 8:15 news, we got 8:30 news, and then later on, right before markets close, we have 4:15 news for the Canadian pairs, and then probably around 11 o'clock midnight tonight, we're going to have Japanese news popping off. So make sure to keep those times in mind. All right, so had some crazy moves happen yesterday. GJ did a nice move, as well as GN did a nice move. Gold went absolutely crazy. NAS did a move as well. We talked about this move yesterday as well. So we're going to be looking for continued buys on these setups right now. Again, we're just waiting for our confirmations to be met and see if price can hold these levels right here. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out. If you have not checked it out yet, make sure to leave a like on it, drop a comment, whatever y'all want to do. I'll go ahead and drop that in the chat right now. Let me fix the mic. Let me see, this is better. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. All right, sound a little better now. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so we're going to be looking for possible GN buys, possible GJ buys, as well as possible NAS buys. If GJ can break and hold 199.55, 199.60 as support, we can look for buys going to actually need to fix these levels. So let me, I might see a little magic fix. I kind of don't like how this is looking right here. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. That's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month, the last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we can charge, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Bitcoin's about to break the all-time highs, by the way. It's right there. Again, we're just waiting for price to meet our confirmations. We see price kind of tracing and consolidating right now. We're just letting price do its thing. What's going on, Johnny? What's my thoughts on GJ? So we're looking for buys. So we're on GJ right now. We're looking for buys. By the way, y'all, I did my analysis on all these charts in the Sunday chart analysis. Make sure that first in the description, check out the Sunday chart analysis, y'all. Again, the Sunday chart analysis does not just go over what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. If you check out the Sunday chart analysis, you'll see a lot of charts already going as projected so far. But when I'm looking forward, and then we also took a GJ buy yesterday as well. We literally entered and broke this down during yesterday's live stream, waited for the retest confirmation, intraday, all that good stuff. So right now we're going to be looking for continued buys. So we're going to be waiting to see if it can break above 199.60. If it can hold 199.60 as support, we can look for buys going to 210. That's what we're looking at right now. And again, as we can see here, price is trading low as resistance. So we're simply just waiting for our confirmations to be met. All right. Yeah, we caught two huge trades yesterday. Absolutely went crazy yesterday on the markets. Caught this huge gold buy. Gold actually ended up flying more than that later on. We caught this nice GJ buy sell. This is what GJ was looking like last night when the markets were closed and reopened. As you can see, it didn't really do anything at all last night after that. But when we look at gold, that thing continued to fly and push up. Right, so we caught two huge trades yesterday, broke them both down during yesterday's live stream as well as Mondays. We also broke down GN and NAS during yesterday's live stream. Those went as projected as well. So again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in. We see GJ still chilling at this level, but again, we're waiting to see if price can break and hold the level as support before we pull the trigger on this next position. All right, tomorrow is the last day of the month. So after tomorrow's wrapped up, we're going to be doing a recap of the month. But we've been killing it this month. We only taken one loss so far this month. Again, we're 2-0 this month. This week, I should say, 3-0 last week. The week before that, we went 3-1, which is the week we took that loss. and then we went 3-0 the week before that, and then the first week slash transitioning into October went 2-0. So that's how we're doing so far this month. Now, when you scroll to October 2nd, you'll see how we ended September. September, we went 14-2 against an 88% win rate, catch a total of 35,486 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. You scroll a little bit higher, it'll show you how we did the month prior to that. So again, you click these highlighted words. It'll take you up a week by week or month by month basis, depending on which one you click, right? Again, we drop the Sunday chart down to the beginning every single week. So you look out every time we go live. The Monday session, we recap the day at the end of every day. We recap the week at the end of every week, as well as recap the month and quarter, and end every month and quarter. Everything is dated, timed, and documented. Literally can't make all this stuff up. And every single trade, me and the members take, we break down, if not as well, entered during the London session live. So literally everything is documented. Can't make none of this stuff up. And if you go to subscribers and go to photos, over 2 years worth of receipts, screenshots position, screenshots of signal, as well as student results and testimonials. So click that first link in the description. Join the free signal free Telegram, explore the channel. Absolutely been killing it. But again, like I said, we're just waiting for volume right now. Nothing we can do about that. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Not bad, y'all. I always be having my mic in the wrong spot because I got two monitors. Whenever I'm looking at my right monitor, I'll be sounding far away from the mic. So I gotta either keep my head right in front of my mic, or I gotta move it to the center a little bit more. I also don't like yelling into the mic, so I'll speak up as well. But we got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. You guys got drop in the chat. We'll be drop in the chat. Make sure to like the live and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Again, we got a few news events popping up today, so we're gonna see what this next hour some change looks like. But don't be too shocked or surprised if volume's kind of dead or slow up until New York session, because again, we got 5 a.m. Swiss franc news, then we got the infamous ADP popping off at 8:15. Then we got another USD news event at 8:30. Gonna be going live with the numbers around ADP. We're gonna be seeing how that pops off and plays out. And then later on tonight, we got some news events as well. All right, we just had big moves happen last week, Thursday and Friday, as well as yesterday yesterday and Monday. So again, price is just going to continuously pump up and fly. Retracements are part of the game. And again, as we can see here, exactly what we was talking about, it was a consolidation for an entire month. And in the past 2 weeks, price has been pushing up, breaking out of that consolidation. So again, retracements are part of the game. Pauses and breaks are part of the game. Our job is just to be there ready for and know what direction price is going to be going. Just wrote a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out if you have not checked that out already. All right, y'all. New 5 minute just popped up. Shout out to everybody still on the live. So again, we can see here for the past few hours, it's been reattempting time and time again to try to break this level, hold it as support, but it has not been able to do so yet, right? So we're gonna see what this next hour looks like. Again, we got a bunch of news popping off later on today. So again, don't be too shocked or surprised if we don't see any action this next hour, 2 hours. The price is just going to continue to do what it's been doing all night up until New York session. All right, y'all. If y'all don't understand how to go about news days, I highly recommend checking out my How to Trade News playlist. And then also, if you're an advanced play signal on the course channel, make sure to watch the past recordings. We go live at least twice a week during high impact news events. And we're going to be going live later on today during ADP as well. So we're going to see how this 5-minute closes though. All right, shout out to everybody in the live, y'all. So it looks like GJ is about to try to break or hold this level as support. So again, if GJ can hold 199.50 as support, we can look for continued buys going to 210, possibly up to 260. All right, y'all. We're also going to be looking at possible GN buys again all this week. In the middle of last week, prices finally broke out of that consolidation. So that's why we see a lot of consolidation going on right now. So retracement, but we're still going to be looking for buys on this. Also, still keep our eye on NAS. NAS still got a little bit of work to do. Looks like GJ just hit my alert and triggered it as well. NAS, if it can break and hold 20,670 as support, we can look for buys going up to 20,790. All right, y'all. So we're about to see if we can hold this level here. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join free silver, free Telegram, y'all. Y'all see how we did last month, the last quarter on y'all screen. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, decision services, or mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. We've been absolutely killing it all year. It's called the playbook for a reason, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. Again, members, be on the lookout for that link. We're going to be going live during ADP today. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday, so make sure to check out and catch up to all the videos that I've been posting. And yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow, running session 3 a.m. EST. And again, we still see GJ rejected. That's the highest it's been since we started the stream, though. So let's see what this 15 looks like.